This video is sponsored by Wondershare PDFelement Pro for iOS. Stay tuned to the end of the video to learn more. So first off, let's see if Terraria runs in the first place. Nope, does not look like it. Let's try and fix that. So what you want to do first is go into your file explorer, go into your documents, press My Games, then Terraria, and then right click config.json and press open with, and then press notepad. You might have to click the drop down that says look for other apps on this PC, but that's fine. Then you should see a line that says volume music in the notepad file somewhere. Change the 1.0 next to it to 0.0. But keep in mind that it will have no music. It will just have like the sound effects. If that didn't work, you might as well go back and undo that. Just go in your documents, click the config file, and then change it to 1.0. Another way of doing this is by going back into Steam, press the gear icon to the right, go to Manage, and then press Browse Local Files, and then scroll down until you see Terraria, right-click it, and then press Run as Administrator. It should show up a dialog box that says Terraria.exe is trying to access files on the hard drive. Just press OK. And then after that, Terraria should open. Now it's time for the sponsorship part of the video. Wondershare PDFelement Pro is a clean and easy to use PDF editor for your mobile device. Let's take a look. In the App Store, search PDFelement Pro and download this app. Now that I've got PDFelement downloaded from the App Store, I am going to open my sample PDF file that I had saved in the Downloads folder. There are many things that you can do in this software, including add pages and edit where text is placed, but for now I'll show you the markup tools. We've got all sorts of things to do in this section, like edit text, edit the fonts of the text, edit image size and placement, and draw on the page. For creating a blank PDF, all you have to do is return to the Files section and press the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner, and you can create a PDF from whatever you want. Personally, I think that PDFelement Pro is a much better alternative than Adobe because of its cheaper price tag and its ease of use. Thank you for watching.